Welcome everybody. Today we will see together equipment to have in our pilot plants in RS to manage trials of traditional cheese. Milk proteins are used in traditional cheese to standardize or enrich the milk in order to manage a constant quality on the finished product all year. At the same time, it allows an increase in yield to maximize the production line's productivity, but also it gives better coagulation, more water binding, or simulate a creamy texture for light recipes, depending on the protein, better melting and stretching properties on finished products, and many more benefits. Follow us for the pilot plant visit.
First, you have to powder our pre-milk. It can be done in water or directly into the milk with the use of a simple stirring equipment. At hot or cold temperature, depending on the concentration of protein, the kind of dairy ingredient and the hydration time. We can also use a tree blender to manage bigger trial. A good hydration is essential to preserve all native functionalities from each component to maximize the effect of our pre-milk. After milk standardization, we can pasteurize it by choosing the best couple time temperature. Then the milk can be sent into our first coagulation tank, a small one specific to handle trial of our cheese. After culturing and renetting, we can analyze the coagulation behavior of milk by using a rheolaser and determine the best timing and firmness to start the cutting step. Then we can proceed the curd draining by stirring and heating, by washing in water to control lactose and dry matter content, by pre-pressing and obtaining a curd ready to be molded in several sizes of mold. During the pressing step on the individual press, we can put it in room with specific temperature to control bacterial growth, before checking and recording pH to follow the acidification kinetic. When optimal pH is reached, we demold cheeses before braining. Cheeses are ripened in room under specific temperature and humidity. We have a bigger coagulation tank to handle a similar process. Both of them are also used to do pasta filata curd. This functional curd could be stretched in one of our specific stretcher equipment with its double screw. Then we have everything for the manufacturing of soft cheese. We can also use to do fresh curd. For soft cheese, we have to cut the curd after coagulation to start a draining step. When the firmness on curd is suitable, we can mold it up to acidify and get a right pH. We can salt cheese manually and ripen it. Several kinds of functional tests can be done, such as a sliceability test, an assessment of texture as firmness, elasticity, stickiness, or melting properties with a Schreiber test, up to a real test on pizza. And of course, sensory feedback from our testing panel.